So, in case people have not heard, Governor DeSantis put out a state of emergency for like 24 counties in Florida, one of which being mine. There is a tropical depression heading this way that has high potential to turn into a pretty tough hurricane. So we'll be fine. Florida always gets slammed by these things. I'm going to try to keep pumping out content for you as much as I can, but in between maybe power outages and stuff, we'll see what happens. So just pray for everybody in Florida that might get hammered by this thing, just in case. Love y'all. Appreciate it.